Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Excuse me?
Oh.
What the just happened?
Put it in there.
Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Oh.
Looks like Buddy thinks a gentle massage will make the pregnant human feel much better.
What are you doing?
Can you read this? Oh my...
I know, I have to go to work.
Okay.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Yeah, that's a stairs.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh, nice.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose. Bet
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low. She's
You say hi to baby? Oh my god. I'm literally crying.
What's happening?
I had to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Good boy, Kenneth.
Oh my god.
Cats can actually understand hand signs, so try using hand gestures when you want to communicate with them. Total cuddle bugs, so they actually get along.
Macaroni turns one.
What did I say? No.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Ты сегодня готовишь? Скоро будет готово.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this. Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Ew!
Hi. What are you doing?
Like your belly rub. What face is that? Why do you do it? Are you just stuck in?
Just like humans, some kittens also have a taste for thrill and go full-on hardcore.
Baby.
comiste? No.
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
Small dogs always have their own little system.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Bekle.
Call USA Vein Clinics to schedule your consultation with one of our
You can do it. Come on, come on.
Her out?
I know you're so adorable, but I have to go to work.
Okay, ow. Meow.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
That's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No.
Çok korkunç görünüyor.
Bean. Chiro, what you doing? Hi, buddy.
fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
As fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck. You jumped over these double big.
Gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Right!
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah!
So chunky.
That's right.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
What's that?
Oh.
The moment you realize the money you spend on kibbles and pate is totally worth it.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye. Where'd you throw it, kid? That's pretty high. Let me get that for you.
What? What is going on? It's the best one.
¡Ey! Te estás chingando mi.
Oh, good girl. Nicely.
This is Rush, and apparently normal dog activity.
Oh my god.
No, you jumped over these double big.
See. What did you just do?
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
Your cousin's inside of
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Archie, that is the
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
The choice is yours.
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
Your belly's moving him around. Ouch. Ouch.
Simon likes you.
Ouch.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my.
Eso, muy bien.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Theo. Oh. You want to come over for a treat?
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward. When constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No ma-
Bean.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Oh. You want to come over for a treat?
This.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
She ain't moving.
Do you love your kitty?
She's my kitty.
Is she your kitty too? Oh, she's so cute.
Does she
You
look
want to
pretty?
plus? Need your murder mitts?
I give her a...
Are you happy, Kermit?
How did you get up there? How did you get under counter?
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
The door is open. You don't have to do this. Who did?
ส้มเหมือนก้อนขนมปังเนี่ย
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
One time morning, get it, Vivo! Race to the ice limit!
Looks like someone is...
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Who did?
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
一个野蛮女友是一种什么样的体验呢？
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.